This is a Larryland bound train express. No stops until Larryland. That's it. You're stuck in the train.
Flooded. Must be those leaks we saw topside.
Get me out of this train!
Next stop is Chew Street. I repeat, Chew Street. Keep your wallets and personal belongings to yourselves. Hello, Dusty.
Yeah.
Glad you gave me that pistol.
I know. Alright, make sure you check your corners, guys.
Dustin, running your hands, not checking corners.
I'm
Oh, guys, swarm, straight ahead. Wipe them out. Cover the front, I got the left side.
Warp them from the sides!
Look how good I aim now. Oh, hide it.
I got him. Pen. How come he only has a pistol? He was a blue eye.
Right.
Junction's clear.
God. Can't imagine fighting these things with just modern day weapons.
We'll bypass below decks.
Oh,
So are you recording us now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me see the other one.
Such a cool universe. Colonial space marines with big guns, close space stations and alien swarms.
I'll upload it on GoPro.
Copy that, Commander.
Alright.
So you guys can always watch it. Yeah.
Down 8 flights. Subdeck 3A.
Ooh.
Copy that. Oh, you see a bit?
Oh, I remember this. Okay.
No, you don't. Spoilers.
Oh, what the?
What was that? Whoa.
The core leaks flooded the whole bottom of the station. Right. Bypass Mark 1, Mod 1. Head through waste processing.
Contact. Here we go.
Hit the gutter. I don't care what it smells like. Jump in.
You gotta jump in, guys?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, crap.
I love it. Acid blood. Protect Hawkeye.
Damn.
Alright,
Like,
anyone out of the
they
pool?
would have killed us. One slice in their tail, it goes right through us.
Oh yeah, it would.
Like, those things are so dangerous. Their tail is like crazy scary.
Yeah.
Warp you. It's crazy too. Like their
Oh,
tail
God.
is like a beautiful sight.
Ah!
Yo,
Alright.
you guys, huh?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, help cover this. TJ dies. You're next in command.
Why not want to be a commander? Alright, I'll keep him like.
LOL.
No
Responsibility.
power to the door. Hit the backup generator. Far into the room.
I would love it if they made this like a Dead Space, like co-op. That'd be awesome.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Oh, that was the other alien that fought. It was aliens versus necromorphs. That was a cool fight too.
Next phase, right? Next word.
Yeah, that's
I
awesome.
remember that. Yeah.
Man.
Remaking the first one, right?
I don't know.
Oh, I think so. I don't know. I heard about it.
You are nuts.
Hear that? They're coming.
I'll help you. And like later on, you can fight the predator. Like they'll be out killing a one-time boss fight.
That'll be awesome.
Right? Yo, imagine fighting them now with our tech. Now it's like very awesome. Oh, burster! You're gonna burst on.
I guess it would kind of be like, what is that? Into the Wild? What is that game? Yeah, I forgot. We got like a 4 co-op game. Wildlands. Wildlands.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was bullshit. That predator though. That was
Yeah.
a bullshit fight. But I can see it though. He's OP as hell. It does make sense.
I remember I tried to see it though. I remember I had yeah. And the acting does self-destruct, like,
Watch the left.
Yeah, this is what I like. I want to see more action-packed Marines kicking ass. I'm tired of hiding like a little coward in it. Like the alien, one alien is
Yeah, I know. He played with his daughter, right? He played his daughter?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know. I don't think you're gonna people that. I don't know. It's like a one-time thing. I'm not sure. That was pretty scary though, yeah.
Prowler.
Oh, crap.
Man, there's so many of them.
I know. That's how it should be though. They swarm me. Peace.
Oh, there's a prowler behind us.
Oh, I hate that. Fuck them up. Good job. Fuck them up. Good.
Man.
Doors got power, but they're locked down. Esther?
A 16 million digit cipher. Perhaps check the logs of the maintenance synthetics?
I'll get those bastards
Alright, we can move.
Move out.
There we go.
Yo, imagine playing as the Terran Space Marine StarCraft. Hoorah!
Oh, those
Get
guys.
good. Rock and roll.
That'd be dope. I think it'd just be too scary though. I mean, you gotta face off against Ultralisk.
Oh yeah, that's true. The Zerg is
Hydras.
yeah, they're like beefy ass. Like yeah, fuck that.
They'll just tear you up.
That's why they need all that armor just to even survive, like even like an ounce.
Actually, didn't they have a game for Space Marines? The Terrans?
Ghosts. Yeah, it was canceled though. Ghosts. You played with the Ghosts.
Oh.
Remember the Ghosts, the Special Ops, the Happy New Class?
Yeah.
You played as one of them. I think you played as Nova as well.
Oh shit, stop that.
That's it.
All I can do is roll.
Wow, that's so badass. You rolled out of there.
I tried.
That's crazy. I don't like that alien that big slash runs away. I really didn't know what he had.
Friends, coming up the pipes!
They'll probably do an expansion on this.
Oh, they will, definitely.
Yeah, they update.
Imagine we get to go to different planets, we get to go to jungle warfare. Wait, what's the timeline? Is this before Aliens 2 or after?
I think after.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's after Aliens. After Ripley.
Because they found out. That was the first encounter in Aliens.
Oh yeah. They never. Yeah, you're right. They never knew about these anymore. So this is after.
Yeah.
That's what the Marine. Yeah, that was awesome. When they had the dropship and land on the planet. Oh, holy shit.
That was awesome. Didn't they nuke it at the end?
What now?
Didn't they nuke the planet?
I think, yeah, they had to. They couldn't contain it. So cool. Oh, Prowler, big ass Prowler is down.
On the right! The spinner!
Clear.
Oh, damn.
Protect it! Protect these guys!
Yeah, damn.
Shore party, this is your pickup. Beginning dropship approach to the refinery. No response from Hangar Delta ALS. Diverting to West London.
Are we okay, Justin?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Another swarm rolling on your position.
Oh my god, it's so ready. We see this, so...
Yeah, damn.
It's like Hitler busted over TJ.
Ah, man, it's so much.
It's too much to handle.
It's so much, man.
So good enough.
The only thing you can do is...
I don't. The gas on DD.
Ah, the gas!
That's right.
Ow, he spat at me. Spat his juice at me, just like Hitler did.
Keep moving, Fireteam.
Your analogies are horrible.
Yeah, baby.
Look out. Look out. What did I say? Is Vanessa breaking my ankle?
Go, go, go.
We gotta go.
Don't forget to reload.
Door heads locked down. There's more working Joes though. S.
I would be pleased
Whoa,
to
what?
assist.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Scanning. Negative result. No cipher present.
Camera, mate.
Oh, bro. So good, man.
Oh, we got it.
There we are.
Where's his
Sending
head?
you the door code.
Got no head. Never had a head.
I guess he can't get ahead then.
I'm kidding. Maybe the aliens could move it or something. I think we shot it. I shot it.
Oh, I just... What the...
You know, at first I thought these things would come back to life. These people were all saying.
Nope, it's not.
Ow, shit.
Oh man.
Shore party, we are down at Hangar Epsilon. Standing by for pickup.
God, I'm tired as hell. Imagine fighting them like after wave.
I know.
People with the best guns do like exhausted. So many of them.
Same. Just find the same speed over and over.
Alright,
No way. Home stretch, fire team.
Let's get into it. Okay.
So, we're safe.
Oh, we're safe. Oh yeah, we're all safe. Oh yeah, right.
Hold that thought, Doc.
Damn it, there's one running right next to you. He's like jogging next to you. Trying to blend in.
Damn.
Nice stuff, dude.
Bring a more motherfuckers. Anyone have a med kit? Heal me now.
Oh, you're gonna die? Let me get you.
Sorry. Wait a minute, is this heroin?
Secured.
Yeah. So what? You feel better.
That a company ship?
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. So I was wondering what was going on here. If you look at the corpses, like what kind of aliens are
Wayland
this?
Yutani Saints brought local animals up to replenish the hive.
Oh, these are not. They're not aliens. They're actual aliens.
Yeah.
Granted. Xenos.
Oh,
Catch this.
they killed the robots.
Yeah.
Wow.
I never seen an alien like this though. Like.
Yeah, that's from the planet. It's a native.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's cool.
They breed them. They breed them, bro.
Breathe them.
They bred
I can
that.
see them. They took the alien and they breed them like bang, bang now.
Can't run the launch sequence by remote.
Oh, behind you! The power behind you!
Control body will prep the hangar.
Did you guys look outside? It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Space.
Outer space.
Oh wow.
Oh, did mom get her lift?
Yeah, she got her lift.
Oh yay! It's a dropship, guys. Look, it's the classic one. Boy. Yo, this is so cool. Oh,
5
man.
by 5. We're in the pipe.
Oh
Did it have this rail gun? There's chain gun? I don't think it did.
Yeah.
It did?
No,
Not
it had
that one,
missiles,
right?
But yeah, that's new edition.
Everybody set up. Everybody set up for the battle.
Copy that. Copy that.
Copy that, niggas.
Copy hard.
So, yep, the last wave will be the deadliest one because they're gonna bring out like 3 prowlers.
I think we got
Heal up, TJ, heal up, Justin, heal up. I'm full health. I'll save my kit.
Yeah.
Do not touch that button or you will be shot in the leg.
When you hit that, every Xeno in the vents will pour out. Doc, you boarding?
No. No, I want to help.
And so yeah, right before the last wave, we have to go to that you see up there where I'm firing. We have to go up there, and then as soon as we hit the button, they're gonna come out. So we have to cover each other when we get back.
Copy.
And that's it.
Make a run for it. Make a run for it.
No, but you have to fire as everybody runs back. Because if nobody's firing, like we're all die.
Like this, like fire backwards and then. Yeah.
No.
That's called covering fire.
Alright, I refill my ammo, so.
Heal up, TJ, heal up. Justin, heal up.
They just put my turret, my sentry turret.
Put it like right in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right, I'm gonna start it up.
Ready? Let's go. Let's do this. So we just gotta hold this position.
Yes.
Alright. I put my turn. I have 2 more and I have incendiary bullets. I'll use them all.
Yeah, use them all up near the end. I'll let you know when.
Right on time. Here come the bots.
Once they come from the right.
Alright.
I see
Keep
them.
it all bus. We'll fly yourself home.
Let the mini turrets do some damage since they're already shooting bullets.
Yeah.
And when you get close, I'll start blasting them. Just keep the perimeter. Keep the perimeter focused and clear. Yeah, so anyway, I started blasting.
You know that dude?
Yeah, the short guy, right?
Yeah. Yo, that's hilarious.
I started blasting.
Alright, I'm gonna go right side.
One worry.
Reload.
Keep left. Keep left, yeah.
Coming.
Our turrets are doing good. Oh, they have an ammo count. They shoot full out of bullets. There's no, they don't expire.
Yeah, that's like...
Good.
Oh, crap.
Turret, turret.
They didn't put the way you said, oh, crap.
Good, have a lot. Okay, focus find the bursters.
Yeah, oh, crap. Headshot him. Oh, shit. Now, they're gonna get double to these two when they get to 10.
Yeah, it's really good.
I like it. Oh, crap.
Just don't want to get the turrets because those are a big defense.
They are, yeah.
Yeah.
They help a lot. Oh,
I don't know if there's a way to reload it.
Pressurize the hydraulics with the
I think it's a place to take the shoot class, or maybe only your special turret. But these are disposable turrets, that's why. They're cheap.
It won't let me reload it, so I don't know.
Continue with launch sequence.
Oh, here comes the Prowler, the warrior. Everybody unload on it.
Unload.
Use your bullets or something. There you go.
Short party, deactivate the safety interlocks on the main wires. Controls are in the landing signal officer station. Left side.
They pierce through the turrets.
Yep, we got one more.
I got no more though. I
got it.
Got it. I'm deploying it now.
Safety interlocks are still red on my
Prowler. I'm using
Don't let it get a turret.
There you go. Fire.
There you go.
Reload. Somebody reload. Everybody reload.
Handle the drums. Protect yourself.
Oh, look
I
at
live out there and hit the locks myself.
Oh, that's it.
Well, we have to go out there.
Yeah, on it.
Good luck. Godspeed.
Oh, crap.
Safety
Never mind,
interlock
I hear
disengaged.
something.
Resuming cycle.
I hit this though.
Watch out, warrior.
Oh,
We're gonna focus fire.
Now for freedom, start.
Coming out there.
Yeah, it's done. Focus fire.
Oh, crap.
Sorry, it's okay. Focus fire. We got this.
Yeah, run away.
Oh, there's two warriors. Focus on this one first.
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa, big.
There's another warrior coming.
Yeah, trying to get around him to kick him out. He's dead. Oh, crap. Where is it? I see it.
Use your bullets.
Focus fire on the warrior.
Kill it.
There's more to them. Oh, no, I got okay.
I'm okay, I got help too. I'm good. Warrior is down. Yeah, he's down.
Alright, reload. Get your health.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Reloading my smart gun. We're good. Wow, 2 warriors? It's crazy.
Yeah, right.
Wait, so...
Okay,
Or is this the last one? I think.
I hope so.
We're almost there.
Okay, you guys are almost dead. I have full health. I'll be the tank now, so I'll be up here.
Everybody reload. Make sure to reload.
Ah, shit. You gotta run over there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go first. I have most.
Wait for Justin to cover you. I'll set up the turret here. Everybody got health? Everybody use up their health.
I don't have any help kit.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, I'll set up the turret. Ready? As soon as you hit the button, Justin, you gotta cover him. Everybody run back.
Okay.
Okay, I'll cover you from here. Go.
I'm going down. Ready?
Yep.
Cover me, just. I have the most health, don't worry. I'm running up there and hit him on that.
Alright, just make a run for it. I'll cover you. Just make a run for it. Yeah.
He did.
I said, okay, as soon as you hit it, just keep running.
Oh,
We're
Alright,
gonna
run.
Go.
oh my God, it's a warrior.
Go. Keep going. You gotta head back. Go. Keep going.
I'm here.
We did it, baby.
That was nuts. I saw the warrior, I was like, I'm out. Good job, team. That was great.
Alright, we got new shit. What do we got?
If that was a real though, I'll be so scared because you got like.
That was
big
terrifying. You gotta go all the way over there.
You gotta run. I know. You gotta hit the switch and run. That's something out of a movie right there.
That was pretty fun. That was pretty good.
Yo, yeah.
Wow, that was stressful a little bit. Not gonna lie.
That is pretty scary though. Like you're fighting those.
Like the two, like everybody, you run up there, the aliens know you gotta push the button. You go up, there's like 8 warriors, and you fucking jack waiting for you.
That's too much.
Alright, Justin, go back to the base.
Alright.
I'm returning to the base now, so let's make a new mission.
Alright.
I'm gonna try a different class. I'm gonna level them up. So my favorite is the